Chevrolet is bringing back the Bolt for the 2027 model year, this time built on GM's advanced Ultium platform. Production is set to begin by late 2025 at GM's Fairfax assembly plant in Kansas City as part of a $4 billion investment to expand U.S. EV manufacturing. The new Bolt will serve a vital role in GM's strategy to deliver affordable electric vehicles to a broad audience. We've known Chevrolet's next-generation Bolt, its most affordable electric model, was due later this year for quite some time. So while it might not seem newsworthy at first, that General Motors effectively reconfirmed that fact in a humdrum press release touting investments in U.S. manufacturing, it's actually quite a big deal. After all, with many automakers scaling back their EV ambitions or frantically trying to spin up hybrids, GM is largely staying the course, a bet that's paying off handsomely. As the new affordable Equinox EV has sold so well, it's moved Chevy into second place on the EV sales charts. Design-wise, the front fascia ditches the overly simplistic cues of the outgoing model for a sharper, more upscale look. A closed-off front grille is now shaped into a stylized hexagonal pattern, flanked by ultra-slim LED matrix headlights. Chevy has also redesigned the rear to improve aerodynamics, adding a split-roof spoiler, integrated diffuser, and sleeker LED tail lamps that wrap around the sides. Standard 18-inch alloy wheels now come with aerodynamic inserts, while higher trims get exclusive two-tone designs. Expect 5 fresh exterior colors with high gloss and satin finishes available across trims. Step inside the 2027 Bolt EV and you're met with a cabin that's been completely rethought. The biggest improvement is space. Thanks to its larger footprint, rear passengers now enjoy significantly more legroom and headroom. The flat floor design, enabled by the Ultium platform, creates a more open cabin feel, enhanced by a full-length panoramic roof option and dual-zone climate vents for rear passengers. Chevrolet has shifted towards sustainable premium materials, with soft-touch surfaces, stitched Vegan leather, and laser-etched metallic trim on upper trims. The 2027 Bolt EV's infotainment system centers around a floating touchscreen that integrates both Android Automotive and wireless Apple CarPlay. Google Assistant is now native and doesn't require smartphone tethering. A 10.2-inch digital gauge cluster sits ahead of the driver and includes configurable layouts for range, navigation, and real-time energy usage. Wireless phone charging, over-the-air software updates, and an optional 15-speaker Bose premium audio system round out the tech experience. Storage capacity has also been improved, with a new rear cargo area offering 60/40 split folding seats and up to 58 cubic feet of total storage. A big change is headed for the battery, which will be GM's first LFP-style lithium iron phosphate pack, which will make it more affordable. The company has a 3-pronged battery chemistry approach. The Equinox EV's relatively modest charging specs, it uses a 400-volt architecture, not a pricier 800-volt setup, and DC fast charging speeds max out at a SOSO 150 kilowatts, should carry over, again, in a bid to keep things attainable. Regardless, the new Bolt is expected to drastically outpace the old Bolt, which also was super affordable, something that boosted its popularity in its waning years, but suffered from outdated and slow fast charging speeds of just 50 kilowatts. The Bolt's price tag, though not confirmed, is widely expected to land at or around the $30,000 mark, while delivering near or close to 300 miles of driving range. Chevrolet has confirmed that the new Bolt will use GM's Ultium component set, the branding of which has changed, meaning it's likely to incorporate the front motor from the entry-level Equinox EV and sit on a similar platform, albeit one smaller and more car-like than that SUV.